Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Realme 12X 5G, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. Alright, so first to do this we have to open our settings, and now right here we have to head to sounds and vibration option, and to unmute ringtone we have to just drag this dot to the right, how we want to just have our volume of our ringtone. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!